What shade can honesty wear? What pigment can reality hold? Truth is light, it reveals, but it cannot be tinted. In 2025, UPSC asked us to reflect on this very idea. Truth knows no color, pushing us to explore whether truth stands beyond divisions of race, creed, ideology, and power. Let us look at this through 8 nuanced dimensions. Number 1, truth is the only constant. It does not bend with opinion or identity. It remains the same across time and space. Example, the melting of Himalayan glaciers, confirmed by multiple studies, showed how a scientific truth remains consistent across nations and politics. Number 2, truth does not wear uniforms of power. It cannot be hidden forever by authority or propaganda. Example, the Panama paper leak exposed global financial secrets, proving that the hidden realities eventually surface despite power and authority. Number 3, truth cuts across skin, caste, creed. It belongs to no community, it is universal. Example, the COVID-19 pandemic showed equal vulnerability across nations and classes, proving that biological truths transcend human divisions. Number 4, truth is stronger than the stories we spin. Narratives may paint it, but the essence eventually surpasses them. Example, NASA's satellite data on Delhi's smog countered political claims, forcing acceptance of ecological reality. Number 5, truth restores dignity. Acknowledging it is the first step towards justice, and justice is colorblind. Example, India's Me Too movement empowered women across professions to speak out, reshaping workplace laws and culture. Number 6, truth dwells in conscience. The human heart recognizes it instinctively, lies corrode from within. Example, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud in a landmark ruling has highlighted how conscience and constitutional morality together protect the truth in public life. Number 7, truth unites spiritual traditions. Different religions may differ in forms, but the convergence in reverence for truth is always there. Example, interfaith endorsement of climate justice from the Pope to Hindu dharmic calls for balance affirm truth is beyond sects. Number 8, truth through the eyes of the oppressed. For the marginalized, truth is not abstract. It is the lived reality of suffering others may deny. Example, testimonials of India's manual scavengers revealed brutal truths of caste oppression, long invisible in official narratives. Truth itself knows no color, yet societies try to tint it with prejudice, with ideology, and with convenience. The task of a just state and every citizen is to let the truth shine its natural light, impartial, fearless, and uncorrupted. Because truth is not black, it's not white, it is light itself. From ideas to rank boosting essays, let us guide you through this journey. Check out our Essay Excellence program. If this reel helped you, share it at least with one aspirant preparing for civil services. Sometimes it's only one idea that changes the entire journey.